Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 5th of May. And first of all, national news. PM Modi met Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal AP Singh in New Delhi. ECI to soon launch single point app SNet for all electoral related activities. India to be world's third largest economy by 2027, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. India's first Waves 2025 summit concluded in Mumbai. Anarghya Panchvatkar won gold at Budokan International Karate Championship. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh to hold bilateral talks with Japanese Defense Minister on May 5. Air India suspended Tel Aviv flights till May 6 amid missile strike near airport. And now some international news. Houthi missile strike disrupted operations at Israel's Ben Gurion airport. Israeli PM Benjamin Netanyahu accused Qatar of playing both sides in hostage talks. Japan protested China's airspace violation near disputed islands. Australian PM Anthony Albanese won second term. And Romania voted in crucial presidential election rerun. US approved sale of HK-360 technology to India to boost the country's surveillance capabilities. Now, sports news. India women's hockey team won 1-0 in final match of Australia Tour. Cricket. Sri Lanka women defeated India by 3 wickets at Colombo. Now, news related to business. FPI's return to Indian equities with 4,223 crore inflow in April. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to attend ADB annual meet in Milan held key bilateral talks. OPEC plus boost oil production again for June. And that's all in news. Thank you.